Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm going to be showing you how you can delete pins in Pinterest. Well, pins are all there is in Pinterest. Pins of your interests is what Pinterest is made up of. But it's not that we always are interested in the same kind of pins or things. So let's look at how we can delete pins in Pinterest. The first step is launching our Pinterest app, like so. So, this is our home page, and we're going to need to head to our profile first by clicking on this avatar icon at the bottom right corner. Click on it. There are boards of ours that we've created, so let's select it. If this is the pin that we want to delete, click on these three dots at the top right section, and there is an option of edit. Here, we have a trash icon at the bottom left corner. So let's go ahead and click on it. We want to confirm that we want to delete this pin, so let's click on delete, and gone. That's how you delete pins in Pinterest, guys. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. And if you still have any questions or comments regarding deleting pins in Pinterest, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.